Now, not that long ago, I made a trio of my favorite Mexican condiments, but it really is incomplete without refried beans. And when I first heard that term, I thought it was beans, they were fried, and then refried. Couldn't be more wrong. But I'm glad I love them now. And my preferred choice of beans are pinto beans. Now you can make the beans at home in an instant pot, over the stove, pressure cooker. For ease of use and to actually show the actual refried beans, I'm making it with canned pinto beans. And you must be wondering, what about the awesome cooking water? Well, toss the stuff that comes out of the can. We'll make something fresh right now. So you're going to saute some onions and garlic in some olive oil. Add the onions first, let them sweat a bit, and then the garlic. Let that get fragrant, and then add in some oregano and ground cumin. Now, we're adding them now so that we can roast them with the oil and really release the oils within the spices and make it more flavorful. Then you want to add in your pinto beans, which I've thoroughly rinsed. And you want to kind of cook this out 5, 8, 10 minutes until it kind of melds all the flavors in the pan together, so the flavors go inside the bean. And then comes some chicken broth, and there's all kinds of fragrances and spices and herbs used in a broth, so pick your favorite one. And I'm gonna add extra, so it's gonna look very liquidy and soupy right now, but the idea is to concentrate those flavors and reduce it. You can even add half a chicken bouillon if you really want to. But now, as that broth comes up to a simmer, you want to just gently mash down those beans. I don't want you to go completely smooth, so don't put it in a food processor. I just like it a bit more when the refried beans still have some texture and have not converted into baby food. These refried beans are ready for anything amazing that's Mexican. You can garnish this with lime juice, cilantro, or have it as is, because there's so many other things going on in a Mexican plate. But enjoy these refried beans with anything that you want to pair it with. I'm doing a tostadas recipe, and you know I'm using it there. I'll see you on the next one.